Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more content. So I really do apologize for not posting. I've just been really busy, and my little niece's birthday is coming up in this month, and so that's why I haven't been posting and stuff. So, and I went to the doctors for my stomach, and I have reflex. Now I never had reflex, so that's new to me, and that's why I haven't been posting, because stomach pains. So yeah, I haven't really been posting lately because I've just been so busy and stuff. So I really do apologize for that, but there will be some more videos because it's gonna be spring and then summer vacation vlogs and more travel vlogs, so I'm really excited about that. And so yeah, so that's an update for that. And now I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So I got like this storage over here. It's like a storage for my markers. My mom got me on Amazon, so I'm gonna show you guys that. So I'm gonna take this down. I got two of them because I need a storage, so if I move to a new house I need something to storage, and I'm gonna have a bigger bedroom, so I might get a desk and a bigger bookshelf, because if you guys know my bookshelf, I need a bigger bookshelf because I like a lot of stuff. So yeah, but I'm gonna get it right away when we move, because we'll be packing and unpacking. So, and I'm gonna do moving. We call it like chronicles, what do we call it? So that would be a new chapter for me. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So I like organize my markers. So this is like my my art stuff. That's what I got in there. So let's show you guys. This is like my art stuff. My art, my drawing and pens and pencils and stuff. That's my drawing stuff. And then I got more. I'm just gonna put this back. And then my favorite markers. Oh, then that's not on there. That's why my little niece took it off. Where would it go? I find that later. I just don't know where she put it. She was playing with my markers. So this is what it looks like. It's really nice. I like how my mom bought this because it sits really nicely and stuff. I just like how it organized so nice like that. So yeah, sorry guys, I had to find that that piece made for my marker, because that doesn't belong in there. I don't know where she put it. It has to be on one of these. I will find it later because I don't want it to dry out. And then I have these. These are really good markers. Sorry about that. If you guys want these markers, I actually recommend it. They're like art markers. They call it arts. They're I don't know how to spell it. Let me see. ARTX. So I got them on Amazon. I could go on their website as well. So this is what I got. I can't find that freaking one. I don't know where it's at, to be honest. And then I got more in here. Oh, there it is. It's right there. So I got more right here. This is what it looks like. So, and then I got more. Let me put this in there because I don't want it to dry out. And then I got more. I don't want it to fall out. So this is what it looks like. So this is what I have. So I'm trying to see how much charge I have. 10, so we're good. I'm gonna see how much charge I have because my GoPro dies quick. That's why I bought extra batteries for Christmas. So this is still, I have more, I have 2 more to show you guys. So this is the other one. This is the other one I have. And then that's from the first storage. I think my mom got this on Amazon. I don't know, but I actually love it. And then the last one. This is the last storage. So these are like my Bible stuff, so I'm gonna show you guys. This is like the Bible, like my storage. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like before it dies. So this is what it looks like. My pens or my Bibles. I got these on Amazon. It's just called Mr. Pens. If you guys want those. And then I have more. These are just like extra pens. So that's what I got. So let me get my charger. Because it's gonna die on me. Because I don't want to start the whole video and charge it. Sorry guys, I'm trying to plug this in. Make sure it's not charging. Oh, because it's not plugged in. Make sure it's charged. So yeah, that's all I have to say. What I got. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this mini update video and stuff. So I keep checking the thing. So yeah, I'm sorry I haven't been posting. I really do apologize. Because I've just been so busy and stuff, and with doctors and stuff. So yeah, I've just been really busy. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this mini update and what I got and stuff. I'm just making sure it's charging. So I'm just letting you guys to know I have been posting and stuff, and show you guys what I got and stuff. So making sure it's charging. So yeah, I hope you guys have a good, happy Monday. And I wasn't gonna post today because I have doctors, but it didn't happen. So yeah, so it didn't happen. It's charging. So yeah, and I got burned yesterday. So yeah, because I was sitting outside, it was just really nice. I was gonna sit outside, but the wind is just like driving me insane. So yeah, I was saying thank you guys for your support. We're almost at 990. So let's get me there by the middle of this week. So yeah, because I worked so hard on my channel. There will be some more traveling vlogs, summer videos, camping videos. I'll totally do that. So yeah, so I hope you guys have a good, happy Monday, and I'm so sorry I haven't been posting this. I'm gonna do an update video. I have been posting and where I've been and what I got, these and these things and stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys have a good, happy Monday, and I'm gonna see you guys soon. So bye guys.